How to send emails from Zoho CRM app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to send emails from Zoho CRM, you can go to your contacts or the leads page. For now, I'll go to the leads page. In this page, all the leads that you have saved before will appear. Now head over to the leads to whom you want to send the emails. While saving the leads before, you must have also updated the emails of them. So you can simply go to the leads. All the contact informations will be already saved before. So if you want to send them email, here in the bottom left you can see the email icon. Tap on it. It will directly take you to the composing email page. The email address to be sent to is already included. Now you just need to mention the subject. Now you can write your email body over here. Once you are done writing the email, you can tap on this send button over here in the top right. So that's it. That's how you can easily send emails from Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.